Hello everyone, welcome to another video by Coding Ninjas. My name is Yash Singh and I was an SD intern at Samsung R&D Institute, Bangalore. So today I'm going to tell you some weirdest programming languages that to exist in this world. The first weirdest programming language is white space. And as the name suggests, in this language only the space, tabs and the new line are essential and everything else is ignored. I know, right, in C++, Java, and Python, we are pretty much used to use every character function like end, like split, and etc. But in this white space, only spaces, tabs, and new lines are essential, and everything else doesn't even have a significance. The second weirdest programming language is chicken. Its name itself is weird. But wait, like the only keyword that we are allowed to use in this language is chicken itself. I know, right? Pretty weird. The third language that is weird is LOL code. Its spelling is LOLCODE. It was established in 2007. In this language, all the characters are capitalized and mimified. Like it is easy to read, but it has no significance apart from writing into the console. So it is a good language to learn if you want to show it off to your friends, but it has no significance. The fourth language that is very weird is English. I know, right? Like English is also a name of a coding language, but in this language, it is the syntax is pretty similar and very basic. You can simply write the sentence, and it is very easy to read. But still, it is weird. Like that's all from my side. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you.
Hi there. Before we proceed further in the video, I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can avail up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product company interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to participate, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate now. Happy learning, guys.